Hi there, design enthusiast. Today, we are diving into the exciting realm of virtual reality and its profound impact on the graphic design industry. If you have ever wondered how VR is transforming the way designers create, collaborate, and present their work, you are in for a treat. Let's explore the 10 ways virtual reality is revolutionizing graphic design. Now, before we jump into the details, think about the last time you were immersed in a virtual world like the one in Ready Player One. That same sense of immersion is now reshaping the landscape of graphic design. So, what exactly is virtual reality in graphic design? In simple terms, it's the advanced technology that allow users to immerse themselves in a digitally created world, experiencing a new reality. To grasp this concept, picture visiting a museum without leaving your home. That's the power of VR. Role of virtual reality in graphic design. First is design in 3D. Designers ever wished you could step inside your creations? With virtual reality, you can. Designing in 3D allows creators to immerse themselves in their work, ensuring every detail is perfect before finalizing. Second is virtual prototyping. Virtual prototypes save time and resources by identifying errors early in the design process. Designers can catch issues before they become roadblocks, streamlining their workflow. Third is collaborate virtually. Global projects, no problem virtual reality enables real-time collaboration among design teams worldwide, fostering a deeper understanding of diverse perspectives. Fourth is enhance skills in graphic design. Virtual reality serves as a playground for designers to experiment, practice, and draw inspiration. It's a source of endless shapes, lines, and ideas, fostering skill development. Fifth is UX improvement. Immersive experiences help designers understand user interactions better, leading to optimized and seamless user experiences. A small investment in VR can result in significant UX improvements. The sixth is improve environmental designs. Exploring architectural marvels or environmental wonders become efficient with VR. Designers can study and integrate these elements into their projects without extensive travel. Seventh is integrate with AR, augmented reality, meets virtual reality for a powerful combination. Designers can understand how their creations interact with the real world, adding a new layer of depth to their work. The eighth is it breaks creative blocks. Creative blocks meet your match. VR provides designers with the freedom to explore without restrictions, breaking through barriers and generating fresh ideas effortlessly. Ninth is seamless presentations. Say goodbye to traditional presentations. Virtual reality offers an engaging space for stakeholders and clients to interact with designs, making presentations more immersive and impactful. The final is fastest design creation. Speed meets creativity with VR. Designers can seamlessly combine various sources, evaluate designs in 3D, and eliminate extensive brainstorming. The result? Faster and more efficient design creation. As technology evolves, so does the world of graphic design. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting, understanding the role of virtual reality is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. Embrace the trend, experiment, and let your creativity thrive in this new era of graphic design. If you enjoyed today's exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy designing!